Morning students, today we'll start with the exercises. We'll continue with the exercises. Exercise for 24.1, that is module 2. It is given that triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Find XYZ, the value of XYZ you have to find it out. Here what I have written, see the diagram is given. These symbols are given what that means, that this particular triangle is an equilateral triangle. Then from here triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle given. Then if it is equilateral triangle, then all the angles of this triangle will be what, 60 degree each. That means all the angles equal 60 degree. As we know that sum of two opposite interior angle equals to exterior angle. See in triangle PQS, this triangle I am telling out. Then from here I can write down, if this is the exterior angle, then these two opposite will be interior angle. Then after getting we have got what, x equals to 20 degree. Next from here again we will find out z. Then we can write down this angle and this angle. Sum of these both the angle will be what, 180 degree. Why? It is a linear pair. Then from here we have got what, z equals to 120 degree. Now same again in this triangle we have to find it out the value of y also. Now if I make it this is the exterior angle, then these two opposite are opposite angle. Then from here we have got the same type. We have made this one as that y equals to 30 degree. Then x equals to, it may make it in the box. Next one more sum we will do. So question number 7, that is given that AB and CD are parallel. Angle of a triangle ABC are 2m, 3m and 4m as shown. Find the value of x. In this triangle C, first we have to find out that what is the value of these each angles. My target, we know that the angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Then if I add up all these angles, then what will come, 180 degree. See, I have done the same thing. Then from here what we have got, m equals to 20 degree. Then from here each angle we can find it out. If m is 20, then other will be what, see 2m equals to 40 degree, 3m equals to 3 into 20 is 60 degree, and 4m equals to 80 degree. Now from here to find out the value of x. One more thing I am to show you, that suppose you have done in the lines and angles, this is two are the parallel lines. If I draw a transversal, this angle and this angle will be what, actually that is called co-interior. Actually not the co-interior, it is called sum of two angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Sum of two angle on the same side of the transversal. See, this is the parallel and this is the transversal. This is the parallel, this is the transversal, and this angle and this angle will be adding up, will be also 180 degree when these two are parallel. Now I can say also this angle and this angle also 180 degree. When we will say 180 degree, that when these two lines are parallel. Same thing, see over here also this line and this line is given what, parallel. Now I can say this angle and this angle is also a co-interior. Same thing I have done over here, x plus 3m equals to 180 degree, that is co-interior. From here I find the value of x equals to 120 degree. Then final answer is x equals to 120 degree, make it in a box. I hope you have understood these questions also with the solution. I have given some sum also as homework. You should complete this homework also. Last day I have given the homework also. I will be forwarding the solution in the WhatsApp group only. Till then, have a nice day. Study in home and maintain the social distance. Goodbye.